Welcome guys, I welcome you guys to Oragis Technology with one and only tech boy. I'm your one and only guy. We can show you how you can actually design anything website, okay, and anything tech. I'm going to show you guys how everything's being done. I'm your website plug and I'm your website top-notch designer, okay. So now what I'm going to be designing today, okay, I will be designing a medical store Woocommerce shopping website. Unlike the previous video where you actually design a shop Woocommerce website that deals with clothing and groceries and gadgets, phone gadgets, laptop, electronics, other stuff. We created that in the previous video. So now this video we are going to focus mainly on the medical line sales of syringe, first aid kit box, everything that has to do with medical line, only medical line. We're going to show you guys how you can actually design something like that, and also give you more detailed information about your WordPress dashboard, which we have not talked about in our previous videos. We are going to touch most of them now in this particular video. Note that whatever we are showing you on this video can also be applicable to every other website as far as you are designing on WordPress. Okay, so why not sit down, get your pen and biro and start jotting something down. And don't forget, if you like whatever we are giving to you guys, just give us a little appreciation by subscribing to our channel, like, comment and share, so that the YouTube algorithm can actually bring our video up for viewers to see. And also if you turn on the bell notification icon you're seeing there, it should enable YouTube to tell you that yes, this Oragis Tech has given you a brand new video for you to watch, so you'll be the first to watch the new video. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get to our business of the day. So now this is our cPanel dashboard. Okay, so before you can get to this place, if you're a newbie, before you can get to this place, all you need to get is your domain name, your hosting, and make sure your host is actually being secured with SSL. These are three things which you need to have before your website can be visible for your audience to see or for everyone to see. Okay, you have your domain name and you have the hosting, you also have the SSL. I've explained these three things in a couple of our videos so far. So if you're new, can actually go to our previous videos to watch and learn what these three things is all about. Okay, so now, like I said, we're going to be using WordPress in our video for today. So click on WordPress. Okay, now, so what you have to do is to install now. Okay, so now this is going to be medical line. Okay, medical store. All right, and please medical stores. Okay, then what should be here? No, not like medical stores, whatever. So I already explained to you why I'm putting this in my subdirectory, because I already have a design in the main directory. So I'm going to create a new subdirectory for the WordPress to actually design, so it will not alter or tarnish the design which I have in the main directory. Okay, so right here I'm going to generate password. Okay, I'm going to use care here, care at globalswiftcap.com. I'll copy it. Okay, then copy it. I'll copy the password and paste that password here. Okay, now we are done with that. So let me see if I can actually select all this. I don't think I'll use them, but let me just select it first. So you click on install while we wait for this WordPress to actually install successfully. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and share if you actually love whatever we are giving to you guys. Okay, so now let's see what you have by default. Our default WordPress theme after the installation, this is what it's giving us after the installation. This is by default. Okay, so now let's log into our WordPress dashboard. Now this is our WordPress dashboard. Right now you need to go back to our cPanel again, then locate your file manager. Locate your file manager. Now after that, locate public underscore HTML. Locate where your file are being located. I created a subdirectory under medical store, so I'm going to open medical store. But for you, if you are creating a new design, like I said, follow the next step after this step I'm actually clicking on right now. Now locate WP content, open it. Locate your themes, open it. Now this is where you install or upload your theme you are going to be using for today's training. So this is it. For you to get access to this theme, I'm going to show you I can get access to this theme. Watch this and watch the end of the video so you know how to get access to this very wonderful theme if you're having a job to build a Woocommerce shopping website for any medical line. It can be a pharmacy, it can be a chemist, it can be an hospital. They might have a website, you understand? They might want to have a website rather, and they can call you for the job. So this is how you can actually create a shopping website, okay, for the pharmacy or for any medical line. All right, so it's been uploading. We'll wait for it to upload. So it has been uploaded successfully. So all you have to just click on this and cancel this. Now click on the zip file you uploaded, then you extract. Okay, that is complete. So you have to go back to your dashboard, then locate your appearance, then your themes. Now you can see this is the theme we are going to be using, so let's activate it right now. Activated. Now install plugins. Now we are going to install all these plugins you are seeing on your screen. Install it by clicking apply. Mark all, you click apply, then you wait for some minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, about even 1 minute, okay, for it to actually install all the necessary plugins the file came along with. Okay, because every WordPress files comes with their regular themes which make the WordPress theme work effectively, so that you can be able to actually design anything you want to design on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so okay, out of 10, remaining 2, remaining 1, and that's complete if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it has been installed completely. So now we have to go back and activate all the plugins that was installed. So click on activate. Now all of them have been activated. All you have to do now is refresh this page. You are not allowed to access this page, no problem. Just come here, remove this. No, all you have to just come here, remove this, stop at these themes. So just leave it at wp-admin, then you enter wp/admin, you enter. Okay, now all you have to do now is to locate the appearance, then look for my medic importer, where you import the demo files. We are going to import demo files right now. Okay, now let's import demo files. Okay, let's import, continue. So we have to wait for the demo to be imported successfully. Okay, this might take like 5 minutes or so. for it to be complete. So you can see the team has been successfully imported, saying congratulations or congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So now let's see what we have on our website. This, remember, this default. So now let's refresh. Okay, now you guys tell me if you are not if you don't love what you are saying. If you don't love what you are seeing like this, like, is this not a awesome shopping website for medical line? Look at the colors, it fits in medical line colors. Just look at, this is a UI design. You can see how unique it is. Just look at, just look. Okay, wound care, bandages, Gibson foundations, patches and tape, stomatology, surgical, everything are all here. So you can see the test product. Now, this is where I said I was going to show you guys what to do. Now, when uploading your product, please look at the size of each of the products. You can see the size there is very, very important. So now there is a particular file which we are going to use to resize each images, and also your image should be a what PNG format image without a background. That is what is recommended for your products. Okay, so I want to walk you through how to do all these things. Okay, so your image, your design will not be so altered or tattered or look like someone that is not professional design your website. Okay, so now let me walk you through all that. After doing that, you can head down to theme options. Then you set up whatever you want to set up. You can change the theme. You can design your theme, your logo rather. Or design your logo. Okay, so this is your favicon. Okay, for so all this, you don't need to touch all this one underneath it. You don't need to touch anything here. Okay, menu, footer. Let me see the menu. Let me see how the menu looks like. Okay, the home page. Wow, there are other home pages here. So you can see different home pages for different design, and all is still under, we have up to how many, 15 home pages. Wow, 15 designs, 15 awesome designs for you to select. So you can see why I usually give you guys premium theme to use, theme that you can actually use for several persons or several clients. Okay, instead of you getting to buy different type of theme every day and it costs you more. But when you purchase theme, okay, from us, you will see that the theme will give you, make sure that you can actually use for several websites clients that you might have. Okay, and they will not know that it's only one theme you are making use of. You can see means of making some cool cash and spend less, save more. Okay, so shop pages. Okay, products. So what we're going to change here right now is this and this. Okay, so but that's not my main target of this video. My main focus is actually how to upload your products. Okay, now let's go to where you can see your products, dashboard, pages, products, all products. Now let's go to all products. I'm going to show you how to get or upload your products. Now look at it here. So now let me go into my website and from your latest products. Now look at this somewhere, whatever it is, I don't know what it is. It says 1200 by 1200. That's the size of the image. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll minimize my browser, then open this file. Okay, it's opening. Wait for it to load. Please, as it's loading, please, if you like whatever I'm showing you guys up to this very moment, all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel right now. Subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. Okay, now it has opened. You have to create new file. Now remember the file size is 1200 by 1200 pixels. Okay, so you leave it on transparent, then click OK. You can zoom out by pressing Ctrl minus on your keyboard to zoom out. So now download any image, but I'm going to use this power bike for instance, okay, as sample. Okay, I'm going to use power bike for instance as sample, and this power bike has no image, background image, it has removed. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. Okay, you can see how small it is. So I'm going to now make it enlarge and occupy the space of that 1200. So what I actually click was my shift key and drag with my mouse. Shift key and drag with your mouse. That's how you can actually enlarge image without altering the design or making it shrink or making it fat. You maintain the particular shape of that design. Okay, when you press the shift key and you drag. Okay, so now save or you export any of the two. So let me just say I want to export it. So let me just put it in my desktop. So let me just call it back image only. It's not export. Let me check. File, save as. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. I can see PNG. That's what we're looking for. PNG. Let me locate my desktop. Just put in my desktop. Okay, and put it back one. Okay, then you save. That has been saved. Now you head back to your WordPress, go to your products. Now you can actually edit that first product. Wait for it to load. Okay, so now we check here this description of that Woocommerce Sonic X500 basic. This is the description of that particular product. Okay, this is the description of the product, you can see. So now this is the product gallery and this is the product image. So we are going to change this and this to make it be the same. Okay, so I'm going to click the image to edit. Let me click the image to edit it. Then you upload the file which you have already saved, or better still, if it's hanging, you can just click on your locate the file. Okay, it's open right now. We save that in desktop. desktop, right? Look at, then look at it down here, bike one. Then you open, allow it to load, allow it to load. Okay, it's done. So set as product image, you can see it. Same thing applied to this one also. So you need to have pictures of whatever you're selling. Okay, whatever you're selling, make sure you use a nice phone camera quality to snap so that your picture look so perfect without getting it to alter your, to just tamper with your website design. If you look at jumia.com, you understand that most of those, in fact majority of all the products they're selling there has nice picture quality. Okay, so let me click on this, add product gallery. Let's add this, add, you can add more as product gallery. Okay, so look and look and select the product category, which category it is it. So for you, I'm going to leave it the way it is, like that. Okay, and I made the product brands. If you have brands of different, if you are in the brands, okay, different brands, you just put the brand there for easy location of the product, in case when you have a seller trying to kit a particular product, maybe you not search on the brand's name, so the system will automatically bring all products under that brand's name out for the user to actually look for whatever you want to look for and purchase what you want to purchase. Okay, so it should be easy for your user to use. So and get what we call the user friendly style. And let's see what else can we do here. Again, nothing, so we update it. We wait for it to load. My internet went off. Okay, so I've installed this network. All right. Okay, it has been updated. Now let's go and refresh. Now you can see how it matches with the what, with the size of the image. Okay, so okay, now why is still showing that? Because we still left this other image there. So let me see if I remove this and leave only this, then update. Successful. So now let's refresh. So you see it's only this image that is showing. Same thing applies to every one of these images you are seeing here. So that's how you can actually update the picture of the image. And again, one more thing, it's not necessary that you have to just go and start snapping all your products in your store for you to upload on your website. You can actually go online, browse a similar image for that particular product, then you make sure you actually do some little editing on it, make sure it's actually HD quality, update it on you into your website. If it has a bad background, you can remove the background and leave that particular product, only that particular product. Then you use the same size which is recommended for that particular website, then you update. Okay, simple as that, simple as that. Okay, so you can see the countdown, you can see everything here. So everything works exactly where I explained to you, so you can walk through. Now these categories, so these are the product categories. Okay, uncategorized, diagnosis, dialysis tools. So this is just categories of every product. So when you're actually updating your product, you select the category of the product, you understand, so it can be easily accessed or easily, and the browser or the can actually search for that particular product, and if a user want to search for that product. Okay, so you can actually the same thing do for the brands, the attributes. Then here is for the reviews. Okay, this is testimonials. You can actually edit the testimonials yourself. Okay, so these are testimonials. You can just click on edit, but I have not seen so far where a testimonial is actually recommended in a shopping website. Okay, but you want to put it this side, you put it, everything is perfect, I would recommend. And the person email address here, the position of the person, the URL, rating 4 stars. Let me see, it also has 5 star. Okay, 5 stars. Okay, so what else again you want to do? What else again here? So I say I'm going to explain these contact forms for you. Now, how contact forms work. For you to actually get access or get information, or so get messages from your website whenever someone actually comes to your website and fill in the forms under your contact us page. Let me locate that pages, and I'm looking for contact us page. Coming soon. About us now, contact us page. This is it. How can we help you? Okay, we are okay. Now this one. Now if I should fill in this now, let me say for instance I fill in this. And I just put a random message. This message won't go. It should not go. It should keep on loading from now till tomorrow. It should not go. From now till tomorrow, it should be just be loading like that. It should not go because we have not set it up. Okay, we haven't set the contact 7 up. So now let me show you how you can actually set that up. So when you come over here, when you get here, from here click on mail, site email, care. Okay, messages, additional settings. So you click on mail, then you save. This is actually working. Contact form 1. Let's go back to contact forms. Contact form, this other one, let's check what we have here. Mail. Now this is the one that is under the contact form that is not being filled up. So what you can actually do, and you go back to contact forms, the first one, edit it, click on, you can see this one, copy everything you're seeing here, copy it, go to your notepad and create a new one. So you choose create new window. Now paste everything there. Okay, go to your mail, paste, copy all this. Okay, copy this one. And let me start from up. Okay, let me copy this. Control C, copy. Then come to your notepad. Okay, so click the last one here, copy, then you paste it. Okay, so now you go back to the second one rather, contact forms, second contact form. Okay, so you click on edit. This is the second one. You need to read up this information very well. Make sure that the information you have there is actually corresponding. Autocomplete mail. Okay, for now you leave this one like this, then come to your mail. Now start pasting to site email, copy that, paste it from this, copy, you paste. Remember this red button sorry, remember this red button means that if you put in the wrong one, you have to make sure you put in the right one. Okay, until it shows blue or it's not showing anything at all. So copy this on that subject, paste that, additional headers, same thing applies, reply to email, paste that. Now this is the last one, reply to message body from Ctrl C, copy, then you paste it. So here you apply to, you can just put in this your email, copy, paste that. Let's see. Okay, so you can see it's the one. So save. Now let's go and rewrite our message and see if it should go. Let me write my message and see if it should go. You can see, so the message has gone. Your message has been sent successfully. You can see. So without that thing not being set up properly, you see your message contact 07 will not work. Okay, so that's another advantage you have learned, or something else you have learned in this video today. So if you like whatever you're learning so far, please give us your support, subscribe, turn on that bell notification icon you're seeing there, comment, share. Okay, share. Thank you as you do so. So that's it. You can now come to, let me see, what do we have at the footer. This is the footer. Okay, you can fill in all these things. You can see this particular website actually accepts Visa, MasterCard, Metro, PayPal, Stream, WePay as their payment modes. Okay, so you can actually play along with everything here. Your teams, yeah, play with your widgets, yeah, arrange your menu. Okay, let me go to menu because the menu was so bulky then because of several images used. Look at the home pages. So this is where you start working. Home pages, mega widget 3. Let me see. So you just come over to your home page, so you know whatever you are actually removing. Products, leave products, home, supplies, home pages. So what you can actually do is to click on home page 1. Okay, so come to custom links, home pages, enable mega menu. No repeats. What you can actually do is just remove these home pages. Or just leave like this empty, then save. Refresh. Home pages. You can see. No more drop down for home pages. But this icon, you can actually remove this drop down icon. Go back to home pages. Click on custom links. Enable. Click on. Just move that enable. Then save. Now go back. Refresh. Now you can see that icon of drop down has been removed. Do you see it? How awesome it is. So you can actually edit this phone number, edit this. So for you to edit this, you have to go to slider revolution to edit that. Your slider revolution. Okay, for your banner, head down to slider revolution and click on overview. Yes, that's fine. So cancel this. Yes, that's fine. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. You can see you want to upgrade to premium evolution and get more designs, no problem. It's all to your own taste. So you can see these are the models: home 12, home 13, home 15, home 11, 10, 9, home 8, 6, 5, 1. This is the first one which we are using. I edit it. So you can see it. So you come here, edit everything you want to edit. Click here, Head here to type whatever you want to type. Candid whitening kit. Anything you want to type, you type it here. You change the design, change the style, visibility, anything you want to change. The image, we are looking for the image, come to slide, add layer, let me see, image, no, slides. Okay, let me see, where's the image, label, products. Okay, now this is the product, this is the background image you're seeing here. So you can actually update it and do everything you want to do all here in the slide evolution. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything here. I have to just go back to my WordPress. So after much of your thing, make sure you set up your Woocommerce. Okay, set it up. Then you set up your payment mode. Okay, set up your payment mode. You can also head down to your pages, edit your pages which you want to edit. The white loads. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a paystack account so that you can actually get paid directly from your website. There are many type of foreign cards you can actually use, or foreign payment modes you can actually use on your website. Okay, I'm going to break or walk you through all the payment modes, the several ones that I know that are recommended. Not all are recommended, but the one that I know that's recommended, I'll walk you through all of them so you can understand and know the one that best suits your business need. Okay, so you can come over here, edit or anything you want to edit, checkout page, the login page, everything, edit it. Let me see the login page, verify, let me see my accounts, let me see. So this is my account, downloads, orders, address. Yeah, because I'm admin now. So once you set up your WooCommerce, this will also work. Okay, no orders yet, address, you can see billing, shipping address, so everything works well. Everything works well for your needs. Okay, so I know you have learned so much today. You have learned something new. For you to get access to this particular website, okay, check the description, or check the description of this video. Going to show you how you can actually get access to this file. But note, the file is not free. It's not free. Okay, this file is a premium file. It comes with many other design, not only one, many other design. Okay, so check the description link on how you can actually get access to the file. All right, thank you very much and have a lovely day ahead.